If you need to access FTP on Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your FTP details, connect with FileZilla, and start managing your website files the easy way. This is super useful whether you're uploading files, editing your site, or troubleshooting a hosting issue. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Hosting List. This is where all of your active hosting plans will appear. Next, find the hosting plan you want to work with and click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that specific hosting account. Inside cPanel, scroll or look for the Files section. This is where your file and server tools are located. From here, click FTP Accounts. On this page, you'll be able to see the FTP details you need to connect from an FTP client. Make sure to note your FTP username, password, host, and port. These are the credentials that will let you sign in successfully. If you don't already have an FTP account set up, this is also where you can create or manage one if needed. Now that you have your login details, open FileZilla or any other FTP client you prefer. FileZilla is one of the most popular options because it's free and easy to use. In the connection fields, enter your FTP username, followed by your FTP password. After that, enter your FTP port. In most cases, the port will be listed in cPanel, so use the exact one shown there to avoid connection errors. And that's it. You now know how to access FTP on Namecheap using your hosting account, cPanel, and an FTP client like FileZilla. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.